Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Winnie the Pooh. So first we're going to get started with the left ear on the top, and let's curve this line around and then back in on the right. In the middle we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top. Closing off the top of the head now, moving down on our ear, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal, arching this line around and then in on the side. And then drawing in our ear behind this, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then back down. Now from here for the cheek on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Moving further down now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up, curving this slightly as we come in towards the top. And then on the left hand side behind our ear, we're going to curve this line back around and then down on the left. Now let's draw in our eyes. So coming further over down for the left eye, we're going to draw in an oval. Let's move across for the nose coming down on the right, and we're going to curve this line around and then back in. On the top, we're going to curve this line out. And then for the right eye, we're just going to draw in an arch, curving this line down and then back in above the nose. Now for the eyebrow on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down. And then we'll move over on the left, replicating that, arching that across. Now let's draw in our mouth. So coming over on the left, we're going to curve this line in towards our nose. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch this line around and then up on the right. Now underneath for the mouth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this line around and then up. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line down on the side. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a curved letter V, bringing that up. On the right hand side now, let's arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing moving further up on the left. Now on the outside for our arm, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom. And then starting on the left hand side, we're going to replicate that, curving that line down, ending that at roughly the same height. For the hand now, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this line around and then back in towards the middle. Now as we come further down on our arm, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same thing moving further up on the left, bringing that down. Closing off the arm, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down, blending in towards our hand. And then now from here on the inside, on this corner, we're just going to curve this line out and then up. And then in the middle, we're just going to close off the shirt, curving this line across from left to right. On the left-hand side now, moving out, we're going to arch this line out. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line in towards our arm. On the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line out towards the side. And then again, we're just going to curve this line back in. Closing off the body now on the right hand side, moving down, let's arch this line in towards our arm. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. And now in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Now for the top of the leg, we're going to arch this line over on both sides. Moving further down for the foot, we're going to curve this line up, connecting that together, bringing that out. And then now, starting back on this outside line, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then now on the bottom, we're going to arch this line over towards our body, closing off the leg. And then closing off the bottom of the foot, we're just going to curve this line over and out. And that is it. That's how you draw Winnie the Pooh. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.